Generally speaking, life on our planet began about 4.6 billion years ago. Throughout history, various creatures have inhabited our Earth. However, some of these creatures did not survive to the present day. They went extinct for various reasons. Origination and extinction are common to every animal, including us humans. However, some animals defied extinction, evolving and living for a very long time amidst the Earth's various changes. So in this video, I'm prepared to share some fascinating scientific information about such animals. Without further ado, let's get to our video. The Komodo dragon. Today, Komodo dragons are found in Indonesia. However, scientists believe these giant reptiles are not originally from this region. Their fossils have been discovered by archaeologists in eastern Australia, dating back 7 million years. These giant lizards are heavier than a human, and there are numerous reported incidents of them attacking people. They can easily kill their prey with their venomous saliva. If you're bitten by one and their saliva gets into the wound, the area will become infected. The babirusa. Similar to wild pigs, but the males have massive tusks that grow from the sides of their snout and curve towards their head. In some cases, their tusks even pierce their own snouts. According to scientists, they existed in Indonesia 35,000 years ago. Tourists visiting the Tangkoko Nature Reserve and the Oil Palm Natural Reserve in Indonesia never miss the chance to see the babirusa, the alligator snapping turtle. Many movie enthusiasts and science fiction fans are familiar with the dinosaurs from Jurassic Park. This turtle, which roams swamps, looks like a dinosaur from that movie. Yes, the creature shown in the movie exists today, although not as massive. The alligator snapping turtle weighs over 175 pounds and is the heaviest living freshwater turtle. Their shell can exceed 30 inches. Some researchers believe their existence can be traced back 150 million years, meaning they lived during the time of the dinosaurs. The Bactrian camel. Many of you know about the historic two-humped camel, used for transportation in the East. The ancestors of modern camels can still be seen roaming the Gobi Desert. These two-humped camels show adaptations to extreme temperatures. Some say they evolved 2 million years ago to survive temperatures below 0 degrees Fahrenheit and above 100 degrees Fahrenheit. These two humps store energy, water, and fat, essential for the camel's survival during long journeys in dry conditions. Lampreys. These prehistoric creatures may look harmless, but they are a very dangerous fish species. They have the most dangerous mouth in the animal kingdom. Their body is funnel-shaped, with sharp teeth that can pierce any skin. They use these to suck the flesh and blood of their victims. However, only a few species exhibit this behaviour. Scientists have found lamprey fossils dating back about 360 million years, and they believe they haven't changed much since then. Horseshoe crabs. Horseshoe crabs are arthropods considered to have outlived the dinosaurs. Researchers believe these crabs have been living on Earth for about 450 million years. These strange-looking creatures have survived unchanged to this day. They have a thick shell that protects their body. Although they resemble crustaceans, they belong to a different suborder. They have 10 eyes, and their blood is used in the pharmaceutical industry to detect bacteria in medical devices like pacemakers and vaccines. Goblin sharks. This pink-skinned creature, once considered a living fossil, is believed to be the only living representative of the Mitsukuridae family. Scientists say this animal has been living on Earth for 125 million years. Their protruding, long nail-like snout and elongated, flat body make them very different from regular sharks. A mature goblin shark can typically grow between 3 and 4 meters long, but some have been significantly longer. One shark caught in 2000 was 20 feet long. Platypus. People knew very little about the platypus until the 19th century, and some myths were attributed to them. They look like a hybrid of a mole, beaver, and duck. The platypus is among the survivors of the earliest evolutions of mammals. Subsequent evolutions divided mammals into two groups, marsupials and placentals, based on molecular clocks and fossil dating. Scientists' analyses suggest that the platypus diverged from other mammals about 110 to 19 million years ago. The oldest fossils found are believed to be about 100,000 years old and belong to the Pleistocene. Echidnas appear to be a combination of a badger and an anteater. They lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young, making them monotremes. These small mammals are nocturnal and solitary, making them rarely seen. Some echidna species are threatened with extinction. These animals have been living on Earth for about 17 million years. Polar bears. Polar bears are considered ancient animals belonging to the bear family and have lived since the last ice age. However, some believe they are even older. In 2010, scientists studied a fossil of a polar bear jawbone found in the Arctic. They confirmed that this polar bear lived 120,000 years ago, meaning they existed before the last major ice age. Vicuñas. Vicuñas are known for their fine wool and are the ancestors of modern alpaca. Although vicuñas have a distinctive colour pattern, both species look similar. They have a white underside and brown fur over their body. Experts believe these ancestors of alpacas are native to South America. Scientists have also discovered that these members of the camel family originated in America about 45 to 40 million years ago. Thanks to the extensive efforts of several conservationists, hundreds of thousands of vicuñas can be seen today. Coelacanths. It was believed that coelacanths went extinct about 60 million years ago, but they were rediscovered off the coast of South Africa in 1938. Researchers believe it may have taken them 400 million years to evolve to their current state. They have a strong spine and a massive jaw to catch large prey. Cassowaries. These birds are considered the closest living relatives to the dinosaurs from Jurassic Park. They are tall, colourful, and bipedal, with a helmet-like crest on their head. They have sharp, dagger-like claws on their feet. If you encounter one, there's no escape, as they will chase and attack. Some say cassowaries and other ratites lived on Earth about 60 million years ago. Today, cassowaries' natural habitat is northern Queensland and Papua New Guinea. Comb jellies. Comb jellies move through water using their comb-like cilia. A team of scientists in China has discovered that they have been living for about 700 million years. Biologists say they are the oldest living creatures on Earth. Their bodies are beautiful, emitting colourful lights. Muskoxen. Muskoxen have been found to have lived on Earth between 129,000 and 187,000 years ago. Thousands of muskoxen can still be seen in Alaska today, but their population is steadily declining. Their meat is delicious, so about 260 muskoxen are hunted annually. Their unusual features also make them popular with tourists. Interestingly, although we call them muskox or musk sheep, they belong to the goat family. They are the largest living goat species. Their wool is considered the warmest in the world. Sea sponges. Scientists have found that the oldest sponge fossils are about 750 million years old. Sponges are commonly found in the ocean and live in tropical and temperate waters. They have an advantage because they live in tropical regions where small predators are also found. Sponges are commonly found in healthy, tropical, and deep waters. They obtain food through their porous surface with minimal effort. Chambered nautiluses are another place you can see them, usually in deep waters around Australia and Indonesia. The Monterey Aquarium in California is another place to see them. These strange-looking pig-like creatures are considered one of the oldest animal groups in the world. Their fossils are estimated to be 500 million years old. Tapirs. Tapirs look similar to pigs, except for their short, elephant-like trunk, which they use to bring food to their mouth. Although they resemble pigs, they belong to the horse and rhino family. They have a long and distinguished history in the fossil record, as scientists believe they evolved during the Miocene epoch about 23 million years ago. There are several tapir species, but only 5 remain in Central Asia and South America. Wobbegong sharks. Wobbegong sharks are found on tropical Pacific reefs. They hide among rocks covered in algae, using their camouflaged bodies. Although there are reports of wobbegong shark attacks, none have been fatal. Caribou? Caribou have been found to have originated in the Ice Age. They are believed to have evolved about 200 million years ago. Caribou existed on Earth before humans and played a significant role in human diets. Even today, they are a good food source for Alaskans. The female's antlers are smaller than the male's. Throughout the winter, caribou dig through the snow to find food and store it. In the spring, their antlers fall off. Sturgeon. These ancient fish are said to have swum with dinosaurs about 150 million years ago. Even today, sturgeon swim in the United States waters. They have a scaleless, rubbery skin and several bony ridges and weigh around 300 pounds. Siberian musk deer. They are commonly called vampire deer because of their fearsome tusks. They are herbivores, and their population is declining because they are often hunted for their medicinal musk, which fetches a high price on the black market. Some believe they are about 3.5 million years old. Jellyfish. Scientists estimate that jellyfish have been living on our planet for about 500 million years. They are also believed to be the first and oldest multicellular organisms. Single-celled organisms, known as choanoflagellates, evolved after them. Some believe the Asian jellyfish is 10 million years old. They are a living testament to unprecedented adaptation. Sandhill cranes. These elegant birds have long legs, and their flight resembles a spear. They are often considered ancient birds. However, scientists believe the oldest sandhill crane fossils are 2.5 million years old. Every spring, they migrate in large numbers to their breeding grounds. Their largest stopover is in Nebraska, where over 500,000 birds gather at once to feed on corn. Walruses. With their long tusks and potato-shaped bodies, they might resemble a friend or family member. They eat crabs and anything else around them. They are believed to have lived on Earth for about 600,000 years. They spent much of their time on ice floes. From May to August, they engage in a unique behaviour. Males use their large tusks to fight for control of female groups. Gharials. Gharials, crocodiles, caimans, and alligators are considered ancient and distinct species. According to scientists, gharials have been living on Earth for about 10 million years. The modern gharial is the last remaining species of its lineage and faces extinction. This is due to the fact that there are fewer than 200 individual breeding gharials left in the forests of India, Bangladesh, and Pakistan. Tuataras. These animals resemble lizards, but some estimate that this ancient reptile lived during the time of the dinosaurs, about 225 million years ago. The tuatara's body provides clues to its ancient history. They have a third eye on top of their head. In mature animals, this eye is covered with scales, and scientists believe it acts as a light sensor. The tuatara has a unique lifestyle not found in ordinary lizards. Chinese giant salamanders. The Chinese giant salamander is the first species in the salamander family. Scientists say they roamed ancient waterways before the dinosaurs. Their triangular skull helps them swim quickly through water. The ancestors of modern salamanders, which are considered amphibians, could easily move through swamps with their short legs. They are about 170 million years old, and some consider them the largest amphibians in the world. They can grow to weigh about 110 pounds. Alligator gar. The freshwater alligator gar is a fish found in the southern United States. They have become popular among people in Sri Lanka, so much so that they have been released into the natural environment. This poses a significant threat to freshwater fish resources. They are quite fearsome, as their name suggests, and weigh around 300 pounds. They have sharp teeth, an elongated mouth, and a flat snout. Some believe alligator gars are about 100 million years old. The Tennessee Aquarium is a good place to see them. Whale sharks. The whale shark is the largest shark and the largest fish in the world. Scientists say these giant sharks have been roaming the oceans for about 28 million years. They prefer warm waters and can be found near the equator, meaning they live close to Sri Lanka. However, this species is endangered, making it difficult to find. And with that, we come to the end of our video. We talked about quite a few animals today. I didn't think you'd believe these animals were so old, did you? I hope you learned a lot from the video. If you liked the video, please give it a like. And remember, if you subscribe and hit the bell icon, you can join the first group of people to see my videos. With that reminder, I bid you farewell, hoping to meet you again. Have a very good day.